Legend has it that in Britain, the Barguest and black dog roam the night, bringing both fear and fascination. The Barguest, a spectral hound, is said to foretell death, while the black dog is a harbinger of doom. These mythical creatures have haunted the British countryside for centuries, their eerie presence sparking tales of the supernatural. From folklore to modern culture, the Barguest and black dog continue to captivate our imagination, reminding us of the mysterious and otherworldly aspects of the British Isles.